Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. Mispronunciations for today.
Okay.
Atmosphere,
No.
atmosphere,
Nah.
atmosphere,
Yes.
atmosphere,
Great.
atmosphere.
Fantastic. Okay. Next.
Oakwood,
Nah.
oakwood,
No.
awkward,
Yep.
awkward,
Oh yes.
awkward.
Wonderful. Next.
Homage,
No way.
homage,
No.
homage,
Yes.
homage,
Cool.
homage.
Amazing.
Alright.
Next.
Niche,
Nope.
niche,
Nah.
niche,
Good.
niche,
Yep.
niche.
Good job. Next.
Yacht,
Nada.
yacht,
No.
yacht,
Yes.
yacht,
Lovely.
yacht.
Great job.
Synonyms of the day.
Let's bounce.
Bright, radiant, shining brightly, or giving off light. Detest, despise, to intensely dislike or loathe. Grotesque, bizarre, comically or repulsively, ugly or distorted. Hungry, famished, having a strong desire or craving for food. Contrast, juxtapose, to place side by side for comparison or contrast. Antonyms for daily use.
Are you ready?
Gentle, fierce, bold, meek, alert, oblivious, surprised, anticipate, zenith, nadir. Homophones for today.
Let's do this.
Foul, foul, creak, creak, so, aisle, aisle, air, air. Vocabulary for today.
Let's go.
Nomadic, wandering, or living without a permanent home. Capacious, spacious, or roomy. Candor, honesty or frankness. Garrulous, excessively talkative. Xenophobia, fear or hatred of foreigners or strangers. Idioms for daily use.
Let's do this.
Butterflies in my stomach. Feeling nervous or anxious. Full of hot air. Talking a lot without saying much. Bite the bullet. To face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. Bite the dust. To fail or be defeated. Play it by ear. To handle a situation without a definite plan or instructions. Guess the riddle.
Riddle for fun. Let's go.
What has keys but can't open locks? If you know the answer, let us know down in the comments and let's have some fun there. Until next time, see you, goodbye.